Hello guys, welcome to the Parrot Puzzler. I hope you are well. I'm just realising now how wonky the camera may appear. I do apologise. Yeah, sorry. Anyway, it's the 26th of February, which is bonkers. It's March in a couple of days. Where has the month gone? I don't know. Also in a couple of days, quiz here. We have another quiz. We're back in the outside in this time. We've got a couple of tables spare, I think, at least one anyway. So if you fancy some food and a quiz, give us a call. We'll get you booked in. It's on Tuesday night. It's always good fun. So yeah, if you haven't been before, now's your chance. Give us a call, guys. We'll get you booked in. But yeah, I hope you are all good. I'm sure I've said that. Anyway, I need to make an apology. Our new menu is out. It's been out for a couple of weeks now. It's doing really well. Everyone's loving it, which is cool. We have a delicious venison burger on there. It comes with a delicious slice of beef tomato. Obviously, we all know right now that there is like big tomato crisis. No tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, salad, whatever. But don't worry, fear not. Instead of tomato, we're putting in a nice juicy slice of turnip, as recommended by our local MP. I mean, what was she thinking? What was she thinking? Oh my days. Yay for Therese Coffee. I don't do politics very often because it's so divisive. Divisive. That's the right word, isn't it? But my days. Sheesh. Anyway, let's get into this quiz. 20 questions. Let's do it. Question 1. Who was the author of Death on the Nile? Question 2. In which country will you find the city of Bucharest? Question 3. What kind of food is sold at Billingsgate Market? Question 4. In road signs, what shape is a stop sign? Question 5. In cars, what does MPV stand for? Question 6. TV show Frasier is set in which city? Question 7. Which instrument does Sherlock Holmes play? Question 8. In the year 2000, Tom Jones duetted with which Welsh band? Question 9. In the TV show This Is Your Life, what colour was the big book? Question 10. What flavour is the dip aioli? Question 11. Which country does camembert cheese come from? Question 12. The Battle of Waterloo was fought in which country? Question 13. In Trivial Pursuit, what subject is orange coloured? I think that makes sense. If you play Trivial Pursuit, you'll know what I'm going on about. Question 14. Who was the voice of Danger Mouse in the original cartoon series? Question 15. What name is given to the energy made from water power? Question 16. In the human body, what gas do we breathe out? At 8 o'clock in the morning or 9 o'clock in the morning. That question is funnier than when I actually wrote it. Question 17. What colour are gorse flowers? Question 18. Which car manufacturer makes the Octavia or Octavia? Whichever one. Question 19. In snooker, what nickname was given to Alex Higgins? And question 20, what does the director say before shooting a scene? That's it, guys. That's your 20 questions. Whilst you're here on YouTube, remember, hit that subscribe button, give us a like and a follow. That would be amazing. Thank you. What else can I say? Yeah, you can listen. There's a whole another Parrot Puzzler on ABC Radio, local radio station here on the Suffolk coast. Yeah, it's on a Sunday morning at about 9:30, I think. A whole different Parrot Puzzler, but you can listen along there on the Sunday breakfast show. I am there too. But yeah, let's go through these answers. Let's see how well you've done today. Question 1, who was the author of Death on a Nile? Agatha Christie. I think they just had a film about that. Question 2, in which country will you find the city of Bucharest? It's in Romania. Question 3, what kind of food is sold at Billingsgate Market? It is fish. If you're ever up early and in London, I mean, I guess there's lots of people up early in London, but it's worth a visit. It's very busy, but it's amazing to see like the different varieties of fish and shellfish and what have you. Amazing. Question 4. In road signs, what shape is the stop sign? It's an octagon. It's got 8 sides. Question 5. In cars, what does MPV stand for? It means multi-purpose vehicle. Question 6. TV show Frasier is set in which city? It is in Seattle. Question 7. Which instrument does Sherlock Holmes play? He plays the violin. Question 8. In the year 2000, Tom Jones duetted with which Welsh band? It was the Stereophonics. And question 9, in the TV show This Is Your Life, what colour was the big book? It was red. Question 10, what flavour? Yeah? Am I on question 10? Yes, I am. What flavour is the dip aioli? It's garlic. It's just a posh garlic mayonnaise, really. Question 11, what country does camembert cheese come from? It is from France. Question 12, the Battle of Waterloo was fought in which country? I mean, I thought that was France as well, but apparently Belgium. Question 13. In Trivial Pursuit, what subject is orange in colour? It is sports and leisure. Question 14. Who was the voice of Danger Mouse in the original cartoon series? David Jason. Question 15. What name is given to the energy made from water power? It's hydro. Question 16, in the human body, what gas do we breathe out? I don't know why I find that funny. It's carbon dioxide anyway. Sorry, my childish mind. Question 17, what colour are gorse flowers? They are yellow. Question 18, which car manufacturer makes the Octavia? It's Skoda. Question 19, in snooker, what nickname was given to Alex Higgins? It was Hurricane Alex Higgins. And question 20, what does the director say before shooting a scene? Action. That's it, guys. That's your 20 questions. Thank you very much. Remember, if you fancy a spot at the quiz, give us a call. Mother's Day is coming up. I should probably mention that. Next month, March 19th. You can book here at the Parrot or at the Dolphin. You can book online. Book your table. Don't disappoint. We will both be fully booked without a doubt. So, yeah, please book up. I think our outside in is open then as well. Happy days. Yeah, thanks very much, guys. I will be back here next Sunday with another Parrot Puzzler. Like I say, listen on the radio, or I might see you on Tuesday. But yeah, my mouse is not working. Anyway, let's do it the old-fashioned way. I'll see you later, guys. Thank you. Goodbye.